Hello friends, so in this video tutorial of SQL we will learn about group by and order by. So how we can use group by and order by. So like we have already created a project one here, and here we will create a table. So name of the table is create table sales, and then what I will do, I will put some ID integer, and this is basically a primary key, and then I will take customer name and put it a varchar, and here I will put 30. Next I will put category, and that is also varchar, and here I will again put 30 and close it. Next I will put total, like it can be the sales or whatever. I will put it as sales, and it should be decimal, and I will put 10,2 and just close this, and here I will close the table. So this is our table. Then I will put it I will just, so it's not yet done because I have to use my project. So first of all I will use my database, and my database is project 1. So I will use my database first, and then I will create a table. So this is my project, so I will use this project first, then I will create this table. So this table is created. So if you will like to see this table, I will refresh this, and here we have a table here. So these are this column ID, customer name, and now we will put values inside this table. To put values inside the table, I will write the command insert into sales. So this is the name of our table. Then I will put ID, then our customer name, then our category, and then our sales, and then we will put values. What are the values we will putting here? So first of all is ID. I will put 1 here, then I will put comma, and I will put John, or whatever. I will put a name here. I will put my name. Then I will put category, like your books, and here I will put the sales amount, and just close this. Then I will copy this and paste this. Here I will change the name and change the amount. Here I will change it to 2 because the second, and here I will change it to 3, and here we will put comma. And next is I will take some other category, like I will take here clothings. I will put clothing here. And name is 4, sorry, it's 3 only. And then I will just copy this and paste it to another line. I will change the name also. So I will just decrease this size. So now we can have some other names also. This is 4, and here we put 5 and put some other name. and change amount, and here I will also change amount. So like these are our table, and we have inserted the data here in this table, and now we want to close this table. So whatever is thing like clothing is there and comma is there, so I just insert into and run this and see what is the problem here. So whatever be the problem, it will show that you have an error check correspondence. So what is the error here? We have to check here, like clothing is okay, we haven't put a comma here, so that is the problem. And 5, and here also we have to put a comma. Now we will run this. So now we are able to put data in our table. Now after putting the data in the table, next thing is like we have to do group by. Like we can do group by category and customer name. So in this case we have different customers, but we have similar groups, so we can do that. For that, what I will do, I will write select here, then I will write customer name, then comma, then I will put category. Spelling should be the same as it is written in our column. Then I will put sum. So what we need to do, we will sum our total sales here, and the case here is our sales. So we will put sales here and just close this and give it a name, total sales. Total sales. Then from our table, from table sales, and now we will group by as per our customer name and category. So I will just copy this from above, customer name I will put there and category, and just close this. Now if you will use this, select, complete this, our query, and run this, so it will show grouping of our like categories also. Like if you will only put her name we have taken, if you will put just take this category, so it will show us only by category because we have a unique name in our list. So like if you will only take category here, so and we will remove here this customer name from this select area, so this will only show us category wise whatever is the sales we have made. So we have only two category here, books and clothes, and if you will take name, that will also will be shown, but we have a unique name, that's why it is also showing the name. But category wise it is showing us a grouping of our categories. Like we have only two categories, so it will group that. So if you will go to the table, like if I will select this, and if you will go to our table and see, like we have two categories only, clothing, so it will just copy all these stuffs inside that. So we have a category here. Next is our order by. Order by, to sort the results set by customer name and total sales, like if we want that, in that case we can use order by also. So like if I will put here customer name also here, and then here also I will put customer name, so it will order by those also, and then here I will go and put order by customer name, and here I will take or next is our total sales, and it is in descending order. Order by, there is some problem there, I have to just check. Customer name we do not put here underscore, and this is the way we can do this. Let's check what's the problem, then we can find the solution. So it will showing us the result, customer name and total sales will be, you have an error but still it's working. So it's showing us customer name and it is in a descending order, like books first, then your clothing first of all, and our total sales is also. So you group them and then it will order by them in descending, and if you will take ascending, it will show in ascending order. So that's all in this video.